Hello and welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management podcast, where we dive deep into the core function of maintenance management to make sure your operations are smooth and efficient. I'm your host, Bruce, today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for any maintenance manager: when to perform reactive maintenance and when not. Joining us is Alex, a renowned maintenance management and IoT expert. Welcome to the show, Alex.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's great to be here and discuss a topic that's often misunderstood in our field.
Absolutely. Alex, reactive maintenance, or as some call it, run-to-failure maintenance, is a hot topic. Some see it as a cost-saving strategy, while others view it as a risk. Let's break it down for our listeners. When do you think reactive maintenance is a viable option?
Great question, Bruce. Reactive maintenance isn't all bad and can be a strategic choice in certain scenarios. For instance, when you're dealing with simple equipment, like a toaster in your office kitchen, the cost of fixing or replacing it is usually lower than implementing a preventive maintenance plan. Also, in low-risk situations where equipment failure doesn't pose safety hazards or significant financial losses, reactive maintenance can be acceptable. It's all about understanding the balance and the specific context of your equipment and operations.
That makes sense, Alex. It's like choosing to replace a light bulb when it goes out rather than having a routine check for all bulbs. But what about situations where reactive maintenance might be more of a gamble than a strategy?
Well, Bruce, that's when you need to be cautious. Reactive maintenance can be a risky approach, especially with critical equipment in production lines, manufacturing units, yard and docking areas. For instance, consider a production line machine that's essential for your operations. If that breaks down unexpectedly, the costs in downtime and lost revenue can be astronomical. In such cases, preventive or even predictive maintenance isn't just a choice. It's a necessity. The same goes for high-risk situations where equipment failure could lead to safety hazards, environmental issues, or significant financial loss. And let's not forget complex equipment with high repair costs and long repair times. A small issue can quickly turn into a major problem, leading to costly repairs and extended downtime.
It's clear that the stakes are high, Alex. It seems like understanding the specific needs and risks of your equipment is key. Now, for our listeners who might be struggling with limited resources or budget constraints, what advice can you offer?
That's a common challenge, Bruce. When resources are tight, it might seem like reactive maintenance is your only option, but it's crucial to weigh the potential costs of unexpected breakdowns against the investment in preventive maintenance. Sometimes, spending a little on maintenance now can save you a lot in the long run. It's all about strategic planning and making informed decisions based on the nature of your equipment and operations.
Wise words, Alex. Before we wrap up, I'd love for you to introduce our listeners to something that might just be the solution they're looking for: Cryotos CMMS software. How can it help our listeners in their maintenance management journey?
Certainly, Bruce. Cryotos CMMS software is a game changer in maintenance management. Whether you're dealing with reactive, preventive, or predictive maintenance, Cryotos is an exceptional application for all three maintenance strategies. With this application, you can easily track and manage your maintenance activities, schedule routine checks, and even predict potential failures before they occur. It's about bringing efficiency, reliability, and smart decision-making into your maintenance management process. I highly recommend checking it out.
That sounds like a powerful tool for any maintenance manager. Thank you, Alex, for sharing your insights and expertise with us today. And to our listeners, remember, the right maintenance strategy can make all the difference in your operations. Be sure to explore Cryotos CMM software and see how it can transform your maintenance management.